hello there. Hello. It's me, Bryoni. How are you? You're not looking too good. You look tired. Sleepy. Bless you. Well, I thought I would come and give you a little pamper. How does that sound? Wonderful. Alright. You just sit back, relax, close your eyes if you want to. Okay. Now I have got some products that I'm going to use. But first of all, I'm going to just use these wipes just to remove any makeup or any sort of oily patches you have, and just give me a nice clean base. Okay. These are the wipes. These are sensitive cleansing wipes suitable for sensitive skin. I know you well enough. I know you've got sensitive skin. These are fragrance free and they gently removes makeup and waterproof mascara actually, and it helps soften and hydrate the skin. So these are quite powerful. Some out. Okay. Alright. I'm just going to just your nose. And just under there. Good. Okay. This side. Okay, I think you're all nice and clean. I'm just going to use this one. Just going to just air dry your face. I just need it dry. Feels okay? Alright. First of all, I'm just going to use this foaming face wash. It's tea tree daily use cleansing for clean, healthy skin. This foaming face wash with tea tree and peppermint oils has been specially formulated to help cleanse and refresh your skin, leaving it feeling clean, smooth and refreshed. Okay. Just going to pump some of this. Okay. Alright. Next up, I'm going to use some of these cleansing pads. These are tea tree cleansing pads. You should be able to smell all of this tea tree. It's very refreshing. Cleansing pads, soothing your skin's surface. Deeply cleanse, contains natural tea tree oil. They smell very good. Okay, just going to use this. Just going to gently just wipe these across your face. Just gently. use this facial scrub. It is again tea tree, and it gently cleanses and stimulates your skin by helping to remove excess oil for a healthier, fresh and looking complexion. Okay. Lovely. Okay. This might feel cold. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Scrub, 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 scrub. 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 Scrub, 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 scrub. Lovely. Scrub, 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 scrub. Okay. I'm next just going to use a cloth to wipe all of that off, okay? Just gonna just gonna wipe, 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 wipe. Wipe that all away. Wipe, 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 wipe. Lovely. Okay. Alright. And lastly, I'm going to use some essential oils, and I'm going to give you a little face massage, okay? You just relax. I'm going to use this one. It's very little. Little massage. Just gonna come round. hope you're feeling a little bit better. Okay. I'm now just going to pop this on you, and I'm just going to let you get some rest, okay? This is just a warm towel just to pop over you. Don't worry, it's just going to lightly be on you, okay? Just get some rest.